Did you know that you can create a video playlist of eNovativePiano instructional videos as an assignment in your workbook? From the main navigation, select My Workbooks, Add Video Playlist. This brings up an editing page where you will create your playlist. Give your playlist a title, show it or hide it, give it a due date, or pin it to the top of the workbook. Choose a workbook or workbooks where you want the playlist to appear. If you wish, you can add practice to-dos and personal resources. Expand the Videos tab, and you will be able to browse and choose from our entire library of instructional videos. You can see that the videos are arranged by innovation. Choose the videos you want in your playlist. For an alphabetical list of all our videos, select the search icon. You can add comments or instructions to appear on your playlist. Remember to choose one of the save options. I'm going to choose Save and Go to Assignment List. You can now see the video playlist in the workbook where you added it. If you wish to further customize this playlist for this workbook, you can do it from the Edit tool in the workbook and make any changes that you want to make. This is a student view of the playlist in the workbook. To watch a video, they just select the playlist and it opens right on the page. If you want to embed this playlist into your LMS, use this URL. It is unique to your workbook.